hair is sticking to my lip gloss. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. XOXO Sheba here. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. And if you're an OG subscriber, what's good? Welcome back. Our hair is sticking to my lip gloss. This is a bomb, everyday office unit, grown woman hair, material girl, luxury vibes. And it is from Hurela hair. This is a V-part wig. And it's a bob, but it's not a bob really. It's just a shorter look. And I really like this length. I feel like it's perfect, like I said, for work, for every day. If you are a person who doesn't care for the longer lengths, you like more of a classier look, because I just feel like these shorter lengths, 14 inches and under, just looks so classy to me. If you're interested in seeing how I got this look and what I think about this V-part unit from Hurela hair, keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Since you're already here, you might as well. Okay, so let's get into installing this unit. This is what it looks like. Here's the inside. As you see, it's got the clips around the perimeter, comes on the side, adjustable straps come in the back, the whole nine. You're gonna be real secure in this wig for sure. Now, I already did a previous video within recent time periods, so my hair was already still silk pressed within my leave out area, so I didn't need to do that again with this unit. If you want to see me do those things, I have a lot of V-part and U-part videos. You can see how I do that, so don't feel like you're missing out just because it's already done. So now I am clipping these in. This is my favorite reason why I love V-part and U-part wigs so much, is because they're so quick and easy. I can literally be, you know, running late for an event or something, and I can still be able to get my hair done and look fabulous and look like I put a lot of work into something that really took me like 20 minutes. So that's why I really love the clips. So I'm just clipping these in. I do want to note, if you clip them down and it feels uncomfortable, adjust the wig. Don't do yourself like that. I spent a lot of time, and I cut a lot of that out too because it's like mundane, but I spent a lot of time, you know, situating the wig to make sure it's comfortable on my head. So do what you need to do. Do not leave it being uncomfortable in your head. So moving along here, you see me doing it right now, readjusting because it was a little bit uncomfortable. I don't play about that because you don't want those clips tugging on your scalp and making it sore and, you know, just pulling at your hair. But anyways, let's get into this blend. Y'all see how it's already starting to blend out like that? It's giving silk press yet again. Another reason why I love these V-parts. What I did notice with this wig is that it's actually made for a middle part. It's kind of a blunt cut all the way around, even though it's curled under. So it's not necessarily made for the side part that I put it in. So it's a little bit uneven this way. Now, if you know for sure you would want to do a side part, you know, you could cut it to make it even. I don't know if I always want to do a side part with this wig, so I didn't want to cut it and make anything too permanent. So what I decided to do, and you'll see as we go along in the video, was disguise the length difference a little bit. Or you could actually roll with the, you know, the asymmetrical look too. But, you know, I decided to disguise it and make it look like it's even though it wasn't. It was also giving me a little bit of humpage at the top. It wasn't the wig, it was just that the hair was laying raised. So just a little bit of wax. And the heat from the hot comb got it together. I'm not putting the hot comb on my actual hair. I've only been putting it on the wig with this one, again, because I already straightened my hair. So I'm trying to do as little heat as possible because, you know, we still taking care of our real hair under these wigs. I really thought about for a hot second, maybe I want to do a flip. And in hindsight, that was actually a look. I should have did that. But, you know, I got time. I still got the wig, so I can do it again. But yeah, so I decided to go with, well, you'll see I'm doing some curls and a little bit of a bump under. But this blend, do y'all see that? Like, this blend is amazing. So I decided I wanted to curl the bang area. No, I didn't add layers this time, but I could have, but I didn't. But I did decide to add a little bit of curls there and give the illusion kind of that I had layers, even though I didn't have layers there. And then with the rest of the hair, I decided to just bump it under and give it like a uniform bump under. I know it was kind of like bumped under already, but it was going every which way. So I wanted to, you know, fall in line and get in place. See how that now made it look like the hair is even though it's not? And first of all, this looks like it's my hair. I I look like I'm about to leave the salon. This is not giving wig. This is giving she went and got a silk press. I am so impressed with this, especially because the fact that, again, I've said this in a few videos, but I have kinky textured hair. So the fact that it's blending so well with this silky hair is just amazing me. Hurela Hair did a great job with this wig. I love the density on it. You can see like it's a very natural density, but it's not too thin at all. It's still giving you like full, like real hair. Like they just did an amazing job, y'all. It's very manageable, obviously, because it's a silky texture, so you don't have to worry too much about that. But it's a look, it's a vibe, it's work ready. It's just a very classy look and low maintenance. So if you're interested, of course, all the details will be down in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.